everybody, this is your boy Lou, back with another video. We're going to do a quick video with the Mugen Prelude again. It's going to just be swapping out the wheels. I got my Mugen M7 wheels in 16s. So those wheels are actually just freaking beautiful, and I'll show you those in a few minutes. But let me just show you a quick walk around. You see my baby out back there, little back, teaser. But here she is. We're gonna go ahead and swap out the MF8s that is currently on the car, and we're gonna set her up with the M7s again. I had a set of 15 M7s that were on the car. Didn't like them too much because, well, I didn't have time to really get them nice and cleaned up and everything. So I actually had my boy Trey be dipping. He dipped them a couple years back, like a gunmetal color, and they actually came out really nice. It's just that I didn't want the 15s. I still have the 15s, and actually I will be selling those. They're not in bad shape. They're actually in really good shape. I just need to see if we're gonna leave it with the dip on it still and sell it that way, or just go ahead and take the dip off, and then someone can actually get them redone nice and polished, or whichever way they decide to do. Like I said, they're not in bad condition at all. They just have like a little bit of, I don't know, the clear looking, like maybe a little yellowish, or they're old. They've been, those are wheels from the 90s. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and kick this video off, swap out these wheels, and then we'll see how it looks with the M7s in 16s. So these M7s actually came with adapters for 4x100 wheels. These were actually on a EG JDM, I believe, SI or SIR EG hatch. So they came with the 4x100 adapters already on them. So we're gonna go ahead and take those off and go ahead and put them on the Mugen. Right, so in order to knock these adapters out, some of them I was pushing by hand and was able to get it out, like this one. The other ones I just used a rubber mallet with one of the lug nuts actually on it just slightly, and tapped it, and it came right out. So now they're all out. All the spacers are here, adapters are here. And I'm probably going to sell these with the 15-inch M7s that I spoke about earlier in the video. So anybody can actually use them who has a 4x100 pattern or the 4x114.3. So we got the M7s on. Sorry for that long process. Try to speed it up for you guys, but here they go. They look amazing. So beautiful. So clean. So JDM. Mugen M7s. Check them out. Do a quick walk around. Pretty freaking amazing. Love it. So, there you go. Mugen M7s on the Mugen Prelude. Back on the Mugen Prelude. 16-inch, not the 15s. So, just let me know what you guys think. Go ahead and make sure you like and you subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.